Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you that Face ID not recognized my face on my iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you try to use your Face ID, and you will see that face not recognized. So in this video I will show you that how can you fix your problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to clean your Face ID, and after this you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After this, go back, click on general, check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, now you need to go back. After that, you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset all settings from here. And after this, go back. So guys, now you need to click on Face ID and passcode. Here you need to enter your iPhone passcode, and here is the option of reset Face ID. Click on it, and after this your Face ID will be deleted. And after deleting your Face ID, you need to add your new Face ID here, and after this you can easily use your Face ID in your iPhone or iPad. And guys, after doing all these settings, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your Apple Sport app, select your gadget, scroll it down, click on more, and from here click on Face ID and click on call. And you need to call at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem, and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.